Come, let's talk. Man, it's not man to man, lady to lady, woman to woman. So most of the time when your heart's broken, people will tell you move on, let them go. But then you and I know that's not the first thing you want to do. The first thing you want to do is to make them jealous. Let them know what they've lost, like let them miss you, like something like that. If you've not watched my previous video, I talk about how to know your partner is cheating on you. So right now you're watching this video, I presume you know the person cheated on you, or you've caught them and you want to make them jealous. If that is your mission, let us go. Let's go into the video. I'm not going to introduce myself. Wait, let's go. So either you are still in the relationship or you've left the relationship. This works for both. The first thing you are going to do is to focus on self-improvement. Focus on self-improvement. Now wait, self-improvement can be picking up a new hobby, hitting the gym, do something to improve yourself. And it can even be faking a class. If you are still staying with them, you can fake a class. Or if you are still with them, you can start going to the gym. When they see you are feeling good, when they see you are living good, when they see you are living well, they will be like, they may think you've gotten someone else, or probably you're also cheating on them. That's why, yeah, all of a sudden in a good mood. Instead of sitting there being pathetic, instead of sitting there being frustrated and be crying and all that, bro, pick up a new hobby, hit the gym, improve yourself, focus on yourself, focus on your well-being, and it's going to make them jealous big time. The next one is socialize more. I don't care if you're introvert or extrovert, bro. It's time to socialize. It's time to hang out with friends. It's time to go for parties. It's time to go for birthday parties. Hang out with friends and make them know. Even if, so there's this saying that fake it until you make it. It works for everywhere. Even if you're not feeling yourself, fake it till you make it. Like when you go out, get yourself out of your room, stop crying and get yourself out of your room, hang out with friends, take nice pictures and post them. Let them know you are enjoying your life without them. See, there's this scarcity mindset in human beings, and when they have you, they don't value you, but then when they feel they've lost you, bro, they will come back crawling. And do something fun with your life now. Get out and socialize, make new friends, hang out. Go out to eat. That's if you have money. If you don't have money, but if you have money, go out and eat, hang out with friends, go to parties. Even if you want to go to wherever you want to go to, make sure you're having the best time. Go and sit at the beach, take pictures of yourself and post them. Don't take pictures and come home and cry. Take pictures and post them. Don't do too many captions, but then take pictures of yourself. Bro, make your life enjoyable. Have fun with your life. Make sure you're having fun with your friends. Even if you come back home and cry, out there, make sure you're having fun with your friends. And bro, it's going to help you heal even better. So go out and socialize with new people. Go out and make new friends. Go out and socialize with your friends. Go out. Like the bottom line is go out. Get out of that room and go out now. The next one is be mysterious on social media. I know all these relationship coaches will be like, don't post something that will make them think. Post anything you want to post on social media. If that is going to help you heal, or if that is going to make them jealous, post it. Especially pictures of you living your life, or pictures or videos of you doing well for yourself. Not to really get to them, but then to get to them. Do you get what I'm saying? Like nice videos, nice pictures of you, of yourself. Let their imagination run wild. Let them think, let them sit for a minute and think that, hey, this girl has moved on, or this guy is living his best life. Let them know that you are doing well without them. Okay? The next one is to be successful. However you are going to be successful, I don't care. But you have to be successful. Now that the distraction is gone. The distraction, of course. Now that the distraction is gone, what you have to focus on is your career, if you have one, your dream, if you have one, your job, if you have one, your goals, your aspirations, anything at all you want to do. If you don't have any plan for your life, start making some for your life. You have to be successful by hook or crook. By the end of 2024, I want to see you successful. Let them know there's a switch in your life. Let them know you are okay, you are doing well for yourself. Don't see, most of the time we feel pathetic when we don't have any option. If you have a better option than them, you are more or less going to be, like happier in a short while. But then if they are your soul, you depend on them solely, then that's where the problem lies. Now it's time to depend on you. It's time to be independent. I don't know how you are going to do it, but start somewhere. Either you start getting a job, start working on your dreams, start working on something for yourself. Be successful. That is the only way to make somebody who look down on you look up to you. Do you get? If you want somebody who once looked down on you to look up to you, is to change your level. Wherever you were when they left you, don't let them come and meet you there. Move, bro. Like, it's time to move. Get up and do something for yourself. Do you get? The next one is keep a positive attitude. So this one should even start the day they break up with you or the day you break up with them. Keeping a positive attitude means that even if you are hurting, you go and hurt in your room. Don't let them see you hurt. Don't let them see you crying. Don't let them see you. I saw this post that say, I think it was a pastor that was saying that if a guy or a lady says they have broken up with you, just say okay and go. When you go to your room, go and cry there. Go and call your friends and cry on them. Don't cry in front of the person that broke you. No. It's going to make them feel happy. Some people are so psycho that they will know that, oh yeah, like they've done something. But then when they tell you it's over, I can't do this anymore, just tell them, oh okay, cool, that's fine. I thought the feeling was mutual. But then if you don't feel the same, I guess I can't do anything about it. And then bro, you're out. You go. When you go home, you go and cry there. Keep a positive attitude whenever you're out. Keep a positive attitude whenever you are around them. Keep a positive, don't give out any negative attitude. Don't give out any sad, pathetic attitude and let them know that they've won or they had control over you of your Keep a positive attitude wherever you find yourself. Keep a positive. If you want to cry, when you come home, you come and cry. When you come home, you come and cry to your bed and your book, your pen and the paper. Argue with your pen and your paper. And I will tell your pen and your paper your problems. But then keep a positive attitude whenever you are out there, because that's what we are supposed to do. We are making them jealous. And when you keep a positive attitude out there, it will make them feel like, oh, maybe I even made a wrong decision. Like the person let them know they made a wrong decision by letting you go, by keeping a positive attitude whenever you're out or wherever you find yourself. Keep a positive attitude. It may be difficult, but you have to try. We are faking it to make it. We are faking it so we heal and then we move on. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to switch up our wardrobe, is to revamp our wardrobe. And you don't need to break the bank to look good. You don't need to break the bank to look nice. You can get thrifted dresses. There are nice thrifts out there. Just look for vendors on social media or your local market. Look for nice dresses and switch up your wardrobe a little. That's if you have money though. Switch up your wardrobe a little bit. Don't buy the expensive stuff. I'm not saying go and buy designer stuff. If you can afford it, that's fine. But then if you can't, look for something nice to add a touch of style to your dressing. See, a fresh and confident look is going to make them, more than the word jealous, more than the word, they are going to see what they've lost. They are going to see what they've let go, and they are going to see what they can never have again, unless you decide to go back. But if you decide not to go back, what they can never have again. So yeah, a little switch in your wardrobe too can do the magic. The last one we want to talk about is many, but then the last one we want to talk about is hang around with attractive people. Now I don't know if it's going to be a situation. I'm not encouraging you to be a bad person or be morally indecent, but then you have to do what you have to do. I don't know if it's going to be a fling, a situationship, a friendship. However, you are going to get, either they are your old friends, they are going to make new friends, have new attractive people, or have attractive people around you in general. Most of the time your partner will cheat on you because they think they've seen somebody who is attractive more than you. That's the only reason why maybe you will go and cheat on me, because like, why will you cheat on me again? And so you also have to find somebody who is attractive, somebody who is well to do more than them, somebody who is living their dream. Do you get? If their dream is to, let's say, have this amount of money in their bank account, find somebody who already has that money, somebody that they will look up to. Yes, somebody they will look up to. Find an attractive, either attractive financially, attractive physically, either whatever is attractive about a person. Find such a person. Either they are already your friends, get more close to them, or they are new people you are going to find them some way, somehow. Find them, okay? And remember, the goal is to focus on yourself. The goal is to focus on your happiness. Whether you make them jealous, now the truth is, whether you make them jealous or you don't make them jealous, whatever they've done, they have done. They can't undo it again. And don't be too hard on yourself. That's their nature. That's them. They are morally corrupt. Unless maybe you're also cheating, that I don't know. But if you are a faithful person, you've been faithful to this person, and the person chose to cheat on you, I can't even talk. Focus on yourself. Focus on doing better for yourself. Focus on being successful. Focus on your goals, your dreams, your aspirations. That's if you have goals and dreams. If you don't have goals, it's time to get goals. If you don't have any vision for your life, it's time to draw some for your life. Like, do something for your life. Don't let them. My nose is itching. I think I'm allergic to something. I just ate. Do something that will lift you from where they left you and put you on a higher pedestal, so that when they come back, they will meet you where they left you. They will come and meet you here, and they may even be out of your league. Like, they wouldn't even be I don't know if it applies to everybody, but then sometimes I sit down and reflect. Some people that I wish I was in a relationship with them when I was younger, and now, trust, I wouldn't want to be in a relationship with those people. I wouldn't want to be, okay? Because I'm not bragging on anything, but then I see myself here, and either they are also here or they are here. I can't be in a relationship with somebody that I'm here with or here with. You have to be here. In order to lead me, you have to be a leader, and you can't lead me if I'm higher than you, or if I'm higher than you in any way. You can't lead me. So do good for yourself. Do something better for yourself, that when they come back, when they choose to come back, or the next time they see you, they are going to see a whole different person. So instead of lying down, being pathetic, crying and everything, being sad, not getting up to do anything, you may not feel encouraged to do anything. That one is there, and take all the time you need. But then just know that the more you waste time, the more time is wasted, and the life is not on hold. Like, the world has not come to a hold because you are grieving or your heart's broken. No, the world is going on, life is going on. So it's okay. You've cried some, you've cried, you've grieved, you've done everything. It's okay. It's time to put your pieces together, get yourself up, and do something. And do something for yourself. I know I've talked plenty, but then if you understand the situation, you understand why I'm talking plenty. So yeah, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. My name is Palma, and I'm now introducing myself. If you did enjoy the video, if you've watched up to this far, then do well to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Our next video is going to be how to move on. Now we've got them. That's the previous video. We've made them jealous. It's time to move on with your life. It's time to do something for yourself, something meaningful for yourself. So it's time to move on. If you want to learn how to move on from your broken heart, then do well to subscribe, because that's going to be the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know how you caught your partner, what you did to make them jealous, or what you think somebody can do to make them jealous, because there are a lot of people who are reading the comments and trying to move on from their relationship. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Mwah.